One of the top LLM providers right now is Google Gemini. When you are using Google Gemini application and you send some messages, you are asking some questions, what's happening in the background is that it's using Google's top large language model. After you kind of played with ChatGPT, Gemini, and some of the AI tools that are integrating in your business and you don't really need to do anything, the next step for you is to build custom AI automations that you can build specifically for your tasks and your processes inside the business. The first step to do it is to get an API key. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you step by step how to get this key, then how you can use it with N8N to build your own custom AI automations. First thing we do is we go to ai.google.dev, and you need to make sure that you have an account with Google Cloud. You need to load your credit card, and then you'll be able to use the models by Gemini. So let's see how it works. You can go to explore models in Google AI Studio. Make sure you consent the terms of service, accept. You're gonna click on create API key. And if you want, you can pick your projects here already existing, or you can just create a new project with one click of a button. It will generate the API key. Great. Now, as they say here, make sure to not share this API key, because when people have your API key, they can use it, and this usage is costing you money. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna go to some tool like N8N, and I'm gonna create like something from scratch here, just to make sure that it's actually working. I'll do new node. I'll write here Gemini. It will open this, and I'll do create new credential. I'll keep this as is. Then I'll paste my API key. I'll do save. The test is completed. Great. Okay, we're gonna keep this one, and then you can pick which model you wanna use. Let's say we wanna use 2.5 Flash, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We can set some properties here. I'm just gonna leave it as is. And then what you can do is we can just ask two questions. Hey, who are you? Great, and we got a response. I am a large language model trained by Google. I'm here to help you. This is great. It means that it's working. Now, if you want to know how much it's costing you each call, we can go to view usage data, and then we can see this one call that we made for Gemini 2.0 Flash. It costed us like a few cents. If I do open in Google Cloud Console, and then I go to quotes and system limits. Now, here you can see that we used just by one call, we used like 0.5. And as you can see here, there is like a free tier that you can just test Gemini's models for free. Also, if you do put your billing information and so on, and it is charging you, make sure that you set up alerts so that it's not costing you too much than you expected, and you can do like manage alert policies and so on. Now, next, if you want to know how to get OpenAI API keys so you'll be able to access the OpenAI models which you are using daily if you are using ChatGPT, there is a video over there that I'll link. If you want to know how you can self-host N8N, the same N8N that I just showed you, you can self-host it on your machines, so it's private and your data is secured on your own machines. You can watch this next video over here. Now, the videos I'm making on this channel, I try to keep them very generalized and making sure that it's working for all the cases. If you want to have more specific advice specifically for your business, we'll take a look at your tech stacks, your tasks, your processes, and basically I'll give you a quick audit on what you are currently doing. Then I'll give you some 3 options that you can use AI in your business right now. Maybe it's AI tools, maybe it's some custom AI automations that you can build with N8N, or maybe it's custom builds that you can just integrate right now to reduce cost, reduce manual work. If it's something that is relevant for you and you want specific advice, you can send me a message on LinkedIn down below, or you can go to my website and you can click the link there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next ones. Bye bye.